Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for Monday, 16th May. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty that I've opened. See, after getting a nice good dip on Friday, we still, according to me, we still have some down move left. That is our probably the next low is over here, right? 32,100. Probably we could hit this level and then get a bounce, but as of now, even on the daily chart, most of the indicators are indicating an oversold level. See, RSI is around 28 now. Whenever we have come very close to 20, we have got a bounce. So we'll just have to wait and see if we are going to hit this or probably get a dip from here. That only the price action, or if we are going to reverse from here, that only the price action can tell. But based on a couple of the pivots that we have, I'm just shifting to an hourly chart to enable the monthly pivot, monthly CPR pivot. See, it was very clear that the moment the previous month low and the S1 broke, we would hit S2, and this was it. And even the S2 of monthly CPR is broken with a nice big red candle. So there are a couple of possibilities here. We could get a dip until this level. This is the recent low that we had when the war news came in. We got a dip. So we could dip until here, that is 32,170, or we might come up, retest this monthly pivot and then again dip. See, pretty similar to what happened over here. We broke this we broke this S1, came, retested this twice and then got a dip, right? So something like that is also possible. So in case tomorrow, as of now, SGX Nifty is indicating a gap up, right? So in case we get a gap up around this level, we'll be seeing the intraday levels very closely in the next chart. So in case we come close to this area, right, about 33,500, we'll have to be careful. We can probably look for a short over here. There is a possibility that we could retest this monthly CPR and then get a dip. So that's with the daily chart, and why I feel we could hit this level is this was also the head and shoulder target that we had, right? The entire target, been showing this in a couple of my videos, where if you find the target, the exact target is coming in over here at about 32,200 or so. So that's one probability why I think we could probably dip until here. Now coming to our intraday levels, this is the 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty. So this is a 15-minute chart, and this is the tomorrow CPR that we have. Let me just enable. See, the monthly CPR is coming in around 33,500, right? So just looking at the global market, as of now, the US futures, the US market ended in green over the weekend on Friday. So SGX Nifty is as of now indicating a 120-point gap up. So this can completely change on Monday, but as of now, it's indicating we are getting a gap up, right? So we could open somewhere in this region, that is around 33,500. And if the first 15-minute candles do not cross the CPR and go higher, right, there's a very good chance we could reverse from this region, that is between 35,570 and 33,300. Within this level we could reverse. In case we go higher, the next level of resistance is here, that is around 34,000, where we have taken resistance almost thrice in this level. So this becomes a very important level. Thrice is one over here, and 2, 3, and even if we come until here, we could probably take resistance. And a good short trade might open up only if this previous day low breaks, or because of the white CPR, we could very well be, because we have had how many nice impulse moves? We have had 2 nice impulse moves, 2 days of nice down move, right? So a complete sideways move is also pending. It can be on Monday or Tuesday, but yeah, there is a possibility we could open somewhere around 33,500 and just remain sideways for most of the day. So we'll have to be prepared for that. See, most of the selling is coming in the last hour, right, in the later part of the day. So if the entire day remains sideways, like how it happened on Friday, best is to wait and see if we can get a good trade post 130 or 12. But a nice short trade will open up if this 33,000 breaks. We have one small support here at 32,800, which I don't think will hold, but I've just marked it. The next support is 32,740, and next major support is here itself, 32,500. So these are the levels that we will be working with in Bank Nifty. In case we break out of this level, right, then for sure I think we will fill this gap. Now say the gap up sustains. Now we get a 400-500 point gap up sustains. The R1 of CPR breaks, and even the previous day high. This level breaks, right, then most probably we will hit 34,300 and even fill this gap. That is only if this breaks on a nice strong bullish candle, this level where previously we have taken a lot of resistance. But based on the nature of the market and the bearishness, I have a strong feeling we could take a strong resistance at this area instead of breaking it. And this is the Nifty 15-minute chart. See, Nifty has already reached the, let me check Nifty on the daily chart. See, Nifty has already reached this, the war low that we had, right, because of the war news, that low. We have already reached this. We'll have to be very careful here to see if we are going to get a bounce from here or a further breakdown from here. So even in Nifty we have an oversold condition, but always the market can be in an oversold condition. There's no rule that if it is at 20 it will bounce, but most of the time it does happen like that. So if this level breaks, right, that is 15,650, the next support can be in this area which I'm going to mark, or we could be end up being a little sideways in this region, that is between 15,430 and 15,660. If so this is with the daily chart of Nifty. Now just looking at the intraday levels for tomorrow, for Monday. See, this is a very strong selling zone, that is this area, what I'm marking. This can again act as a good resistance. See, we would be getting about a 120 point gap up, right? In case we come here, we'll have to be careful. There's a possibility we can take a strong reversal from here. If this level breaks out, right, then we might fill this gap and even hit 16,200. And any trade on the downside is if we take a nice rejection at this area. See, if we take a nice rejection at this area, then we can look for a short, or a fresh short is only if this level is broken, that is the previous day low, 15,740. The next level of support is 15,670 and 15,500. These levels marked are very good support, and how I've got this level is based on the previous price action. One over here, 15,600, the other is this level where 15,500 took perfect support, right, previously. So again we could come and take support over here. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see how it goes. Hope we don't have a very sideways day on Monday, and hope it will be a good trading day. Thank you.